Hey guys, it's Billy here, back on the channel after about 2 months I believe. Yeah, I've been gone for a little bit and honestly really I've just been busy with school and I've also been dealing with the situation, honestly. I'm finally back though, so today I have some really special stuff for y'all. I'm gonna be filming 2 videos here, probably just back to back. But just jumping straight into it though, today we're going to be doing an unboxing, which I haven't really done in a while, and I figured now that things have gotten better recently, I can finally sit down and actually record a video. So here today what we have is the RC Box Club box. Hopefully that's translating correctly on camera, not backwards, but basically what this is, I'm pretty sure, from what I know, this is a monthly like subscription type of box that you can get, and I believe that Mark Santa Maria is the one sponsoring it, or the one being sponsored by. Y'all can correct me in the comments on that, I'm sure y'all will, but basically, I mean, I went into Indie RC one day and I saw that they had a huge sign for these boxes and I was like, hey, that looks really cool, like, so I picked up one. So this is the one from December, I believe, and let's just get straight into it. All right, so this thing has been sitting for a little bit, so the label is kind of worn off a little bit, but yeah, I'm really just glad that this thing didn't get caught up in the USPS crisis that was happening sort of last month from what I heard. Just kind of do an awkward shot, I guess. But yeah, if y'all aren't aware, pretty much USPS was kind of slowing down during the holidays, but let's finally get into this thing. I have no idea what could be in here. It's gonna be a real surprise for both of us, so let's do it. Okay, so we got a message. Well, things should read that first. If you want to read that, go ahead and pause it. Okay, so all right, so pretty much it's just a message from the company saying that we really hope you appreciate it and everything. Yeah, that was a pretty nice letter, honestly. Let's jump into this thing. I am really excited now. So a little bit of paper stuff. All right, so we got some good stuff in here. First of all, what is this? This is a ProTech RC aluminum turnbuckle wrench. Okay, nice. That'll be really useful. Well, maybe not. We'll have to just see on how the Mugens take to this thing, because I know that some areas you can use something like this, but others you can't. But that is really cool though. We got a 5mm end and a 4mm end. That is pretty cool. Honestly, ProTech stuff, I know that stuff can get pretty expensive, so that's honestly pretty cool. All right, so moving on to the next item, getting the trash out of here. We have some ProTech scissors. All right, this will be really nice for some body cutting, or if I ever need something here just in the apartment. Yeah, some curved scissors, very good for Lexan, you know, they're Lexan scissors, so obviously they're purposefully designed to be used on Lexan bodies, so that'll be really nice to use later on. All right, something looks real cool in here. What is this? This is a ProTech camber gauge. Not freaking bad. That, honestly, I have a camber gauge, but it is a plastic one, but it does work. This is really just gonna step things up. Man, that, I feel like in any other situation, I would probably never buy something like this, in all honesty. Man, that is just super nice. I'm gonna have to use this stuff at the track. I'm gonna have to go out to Mike's more and, you know, get out there racing again. And I believe at the bottom of the box, we have some cool stickers. Like, hell yeah, you can't forget about these. Got some bigger ones of the RC Box Club and some ProTech's RC Box Club, the Ultimate RC Mystery Box. Indeed, I would say September 23. That's cool though. Like, I'm definitely gonna keep this. Hey, look at that, ProTech RC, and it has a little hashtag on it. Very nice little set of stuff that we got from the RC Box Club box today. I'll probably do some more unboxings like this because this was just super freaking cool. In all honesty, I've actually sort of been curious about a sort of concept like a monthly like subscription box, but like for RC. Yeah, we got some pretty cool stuff. I'm definitely probably gonna be ordering from them again this year, just so we can make another cool video like this, because man, honestly, I really was not let down. They really delivered on their expectation of the useful stuff that they're gonna give you. Honestly, I needed a new pair of Lexan scissors. I really could really use this at the track, and of course we could always use one of these camber gauges, and of course the stickers are absolutely essential. We all know that. But yeah, I was super excited to do that. I got some more videos coming up for you guys. The race video for Houston RC Mini Z Season 6 Round 2 is going to be out soon. I just need to chop up the footage. I'm not really going to make an introduction to that video like I did on that other one, really just because like y'all know what I'm running at this point. Unless something major changes, I'll let you know. But yeah, I'm gonna be making probably another video after this, so yeah, just stay tuned guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.